Little duck butt. Little duck butt. Murphy, what are you doing in there? Little duck butt. Peyton, what are you doing? You're the most like Spencer, Peyton. You are. Turbo's so far in my jacket that I can't show you guys where he is. He's like literally down the arm sleeve. This is their favorite jacket to cuddle up in though, because I think it feels the most like feathery or something. It's all like soft on the inside. They love it. So I had to bring Spencer inside because he was out in the coop like he's been doing, and it's real early. It's not even 7 yet. And I heard, what are you doing, Duck? What are you doing? What are you doing? Do this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, I heard him freaking out. Like he was out there quacking and freaking out and screaming. So I went out there and I didn't see anything, but I could hear the raccoons doing their little cooing noises in the woods, and I heard the bushes move. Ain't no raccoons gonna get my Spencer dog, or my chickens, or my ducklings. We ain't having none of that. So, Spencer's back on the back porch. Because, yeah, I can't have any of that. Then the neighbor came out, and they saw the raccoon run into the bushes, so I'm not crazy, guys. They're out there. Okay, so maybe we just need to try it later? Or you can do it at day and night setting, and then we'll figure it out. Justin got an alarm so that in case the raccoons come out of the woods, it'll pick up their motion and it makes a siren and it flashes a red strobe. But we can't figure out how to set it up. Everywhere we put it, it only picks up like us if we're pretty much just standing right in front of it. Hi, ducks, you ready to have a bath? You guys ready to have a bath? You need one. It's been a little while. I'm gonna go get a laundry basket and carry you guys to the bathtub. Baby, tell me how excited you are for duck bath time. How about you, Harley? You excited? Absolutely not. Look how thrilled he is, babe. Everybody taking a bath. Everybody's taking a bath. Look at your bowl. Swim in. Everybody's taking a bath. Even Murphy's diving. Peyton's diving. Look at you go. We don't have a lot of crazy stuff going on for 2020, but hopefully updating the chicken coop and maybe eventually getting some more of these guys. Pew. Just depends on how the upgrade goes. But I hope you guys all enjoyed your holiday weekend. And enjoy the videos, mostly of ducklings taking baths. You're like completely under the water. Crazy ducks. They love in this warm water. I warmed it up for you guys because it's kind of chilly today. You love it. Getting all clean. Even Murphy. Even little Murph. You guys, Murphy, this little guy in the middle, was born on the same day as Peyton, this big, dark colored duck. How crazy is that? Look how little he is. Just a little guy. He's like Danny Woodhead. He just zooms around and stays tiny. He's getting like waterlogged because he's just a baby. Look, he's like completely underwater. First of all, because you're so fat, you have chubby little duckling. But also because he doesn't have any of his full feathers in, so he just gets waterlogged and kind of sinks. Also, I'm kind of convinced that Peyton over here is the milkman's baby. Look how dark he is. He's like black. Look at his brothers. They're brown. He's black. They're brown. Where'd you come from? Hello, Duck Ducks. You ready to go? You ready? You ready? Everybody's running away from me. You need to go in the laundry basket so I can get you back. You ready to go? You ready for the laundry basket? Oh. You're just out of reach. I can't reach you. Oh, it's so dark. It's time to dry off and go back in the house. Yeah, it's time to dry off and go back in the house. The house is all nice and warm and toasty and dry. I got some extra towels to dry you guys off. Murphy, why are you so upset? Because you're by yourself? Well, if you were sweet and didn't try and run away from everybody, I would pick you up first. Look at how sweet Turbo is. You're such a good boy, Turbo. You used to be a crazy duck, now you're a good boy. Say hi, Murphy. Say hi, Murphy Duck. Hi. I'm a little shivery because I'm so little. Yeah? Yeah? I'll keep you close until you warm up. Yeah. Now you're all wet ducks. Now you're all wet ducks. But you're clean and you're warm. Tilt your heat lamp a little bit. Make sure you guys get some more light. Ooh, it's okay. There we go, that's better. Get a little bit more heat in there. Yeah, get a little bit more heat in there. It is better. And Murphy's going over there in the cold water. Murphy, what are you doing back there? You're making poor life choices. I won't focus on him because he's back there. Poor life choices, Murph. Fair warning. Fair warning from a person who has ducks. You have a lot of duck laundry. So many towels. So many towels devoted to ducks now. So we'll continue to keep you guys updated on everything, how the ducklings are doing, and I'll get you some more video of Spencer Duck, my heart, over the weekend. But yeah, we're just kind of at an in-between stage, so because there's not a whole lot to update you guys on, I'm just gonna keep posting duck videos about them swimming and being adorable, because that's all I got. And right now I'm gonna go watch the latest episode of Bob's Burgers, and then I'm gonna catch up on some rest, because this weekend I'm gonna try and get the big coop situated. I had to order some wheels so that we could wheel that thing out, because it's like 800 pounds or something. I can't move it unless I have this kit with wheels that jacks it up, and we'd have to hook it up to the golf cart and then roll it wherever we want it. So I gotta get that figured out, and the run and like the whole setup. So it'll probably be very similar to the setup I have for them right now, except for I need more space to do that because it's a bigger coop. The coop can hold up to 15 chickens. So we'll see. keep watching, see what's happening. Talk to you guys later. Bye. You kidding me with this stuff? There is no next episode of Bob's Burgers. Now you guys can't see that because of the focus, but what is going on? I've already seen episode 9 and 10. Where is 11? Where is 11?